Okay, so let's look at verb phrases. So, a head word that all other words relate to make a phrase. So we take one word and all the rest of the words relate to and build on that word to create a phrase. They all work around it. So, run, 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 run fast, run fast. Okay, makes sense. Run fast. Easily run fast. Ah, see how we're expanding on the whole concept. Run, run fast. Easily run fast. Consistently and easily run fast. He can, subject, verb, or subject definitely, so subject, can easily run fast. Here's the phrase, in the race. There's an object, race. He can easily run fast. Easily run fast. He can consistently and easily run fast. Consistently. Effortlessly. Consistently. Effortlessly. Consistently. Effortlessly. Let's change that. Effortlessly. Run fast. Easily. Every time. Consistently. Every time. And effortlessly. Not much energy. Whew. Not much energy required. How cool is that? Yeah, so verb phrase, we take a verb and we expand upon it, we add more meaning with other words, other adjectives, other adverbs. So we could take swim, swim deep. Swim deep. So we could say, he wants to swim deep in the ocean. Verb phrase. He wants to easily, effortlessly, consistently, he wants to always, maybe, always swim deep, perhaps. Perhaps, always. Always. Adverbial, always swim deep in the ocean. Yeah, he always wants to, he always dives deep in the swimming pool, deep in the ocean. Makes sense. Makes sense. So a verb phrase, we take a head word, one word, and they build around it. Always deep, easily, fast, consistently, effortlessly, and beyond. How cool is that? And there's also other kinds of phrases as well. Noun phrases, where they take a noun, prepositional, but take a preposition, take those words and build around it. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.